Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you lithium ion vacuum suction cup. It is working with 3.5 watts, 200 kilograms and 200 millimeters. It lasts more than 8 hours. These are some of the specifications. Let's see what we have inside the box. Here is the user manual. We have two pieces. Here is the first one. Here is the second piece. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how it works. First of all, we're gonna go ahead and press and hold. It's gonna start. Same thing. Now it's ready. Let me go ahead and lift this area. We have two right now. I'm gonna go ahead and press one time. Then it's gonna start by itself. Now auto shut down. Let's lift it up. As you can see, we can do all the work we need. We're gonna press two times. It's gonna be insufflation. Like that. Let's see it closely. One time. Now 200, auto shut down. Two times. It's just gonna be insufflation. Definitely suggest these products. It is very easy to use and it is very portable. Suction capacity is 200 kilograms. If you want to charge it, here is the area, USB-C. You're just going to charge it right there. Definitely suggest it.